everyone, hope you're doing well, and today in this video I will tell you a quick trick of calculating a sum within the Excel sheet. But before that, hit on the subscribe button. So now let's come to the trick which I'm going to tell you today. So here I am having some years and the profit and loss of those years. Now I want to calculate the average of the profit and the loss of all of those 5 years. So what I will do, I will select these two columns like this. Here you can see an icon, press it on and go to the totals, and here you can see the average. Now by pressing it, here you are having now the average score of the profit and the loss of these 5 years. So it was a quick trick through which you can easily calculate the average scores within the long Excel sheets, and it is all about today's video, and within the next video I will come up with some new tricks. Till then, follow me, hit the bell icon and get the notifications for all of my new and upcoming videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.